Pradesh Congress Committee under the presidency of Mr. Balasaheb Thoret has mobilized, has met, contacted, enlightened more than 60 lakh farmers and collected their signatures against the three laws enacted by Government of India under the leadership of Mr. Modi. The three draconian laws which are against the interest of farmers, which will cause for exploitation of farmers, they should be withdrawn. That is what is the resolve of Congress. Srimati Sonia Gandhi ji gave us the call that we should submit a memorandum of 2 crore farmers signed with a very strong words to withdraw these three laws, and we have mobilized 60 lakhs in Maharashtra itself, more than 60 lakhs, and the 4-5 lakhs are yet to reach, or they will on the way be reached, and all those 60 lakh plus will go to Delhi. Srimati Sonia Gandhi will hand over them to Rashtrapati on 19th probably, and that is a significant event to tell Modi that farmers by and large are against this draconian laws. BJP tried to make a farce saying that these are the laws in favor of farmers. They wanted to take some rallies, they wanted to take some meetings, all that was happening. But only thing happened was some of their leaders made press conferences, but farmers by and large they rejected their plea, and Congress got a great support for this movement, and we have shown to the world that farmers are against these particular laws in India. One more very important thing, what I discussed with our senior leaders of Congress party in Maharashtra, and also the workers and the farmer leaders, they were suggesting that we should make a law in Maharashtra in favor of farmers to annul the effect and impact of these three draconian laws. You all know that these three laws came violating the very constitutional values. Really, very honestly, I am not aware of the incident or the details of that this thing, but I am of the opinion that Congress is always for non-violence.